spacers are used to increase the distance between the wheel hub and the outer edge of the wheel, to improve appearance, to enhance handling and performance, to feature larger wheels or tires on your vehicle, to avoid rubbing or clearance issues with your wheels or tires. The appearance of your vehicle is a matter of personal preference and taste, but many people agree that wheel spacers can improve the look of your car. By changing its stance and proportions, wheel spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, creating a more aggressive and sporty look. They can also make your wheels more visible and noticeable, highlighting their design and style. The handling and performance of your car are affected by various factors, such as your suspension system, steering system, brake system. Wheel spacers can affect these factors by changing the geometry and dynamics of your car to accommodate the suspension travel, steering angle, tire flex, and load variations. Wheel spacers can increase the clearance of your wheels or tires by pushing them outward, away from the inner edge of your fenders, creating the offset of your wheels or tires. The offset of your wheels or tires is the distance between the center line of the wheel or tire and the mounting surface of the hub. Wheel spacers can create the offset of your wheels or tires by changing their position relative to the hub. In addition, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS Porsche lightweight plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. Also, BONOSS Porsche FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day!